Hello, this is Explore Hong Kong at Cha Kung Temple right now, a must-go place during the Lunar New Year. Due to the pandemic, you need to register first before you go in, and this year there is a super long queue outside the Cha Kung Temple. The incense here is huge, 3 big incense. The queue was long, but it takes a much shorter time than we expected. So it takes around 15 minutes to go in. And you have to register first. Hand sanitizer. And here we are at the Cha Kung Temple, very crowded. Full of people, and this is where you can buy the wheels of luck too, and people are choosing the 風車 now. With 38車 means 38 wheels, it's called $888. With 28 wheels, 28車 is $328. Smaller one, 18 wheels, $198, and the red one is more expensive than the gold one. There is also the tiny one here. We also get this 風車, the lucky wheels, and make sure that all of them can move smoothly so that you have a very smooth year. Now queuing up to light up the incense. Very long queue, and then afterwards we will go into the Cha Kung Temple, and people also offer very huge incense. In most temples in Hong Kong, they only allowed you to bring 3 incense into the temple. Now you can go into the temple, and each of us can only bring 3 incense into the temple. And this is Cha Kung, a military commander in Southern Song Dynasty. So we give the wheels of luck to him, and then Cha Kung will bless this 風車, and then you put it at home. So because of the pandemic, this year's 金榜題名 is cancelled. So in the past, you can write out your name here, and then they will read out your name and also the blessings that you want.
現有善信合家嚟添香油啊！車公爺爺庇佑咧，佢哋合家出入平安啊，工作順利啊，心想事成啊，四方貴人扶持啊，財源廣進，財運亨通，合家平安，身體健康啊，大吉大利啊，事事如意啊！
And this is the licensee from Cha Kung, and we'll put it inside our wallet that pray for safety. And people here are drawing the prophecy and ask the Cha Kungs what their year will be like this year. So eventually, one stick will come out with the numbers on it. So for each numbers, there is a message on it. More gods here. And today is the 5th day of the Lunar New Year. It's also the birthday of Choi, the god of wealth. These are the wheels of luck in the past. For the offerings, you will put it here and they will burn it for you. Get hand sanitizer first, spray, and then you turn the wheel of luck clockwise. Remember, clockwise. And then put the lychee here and turn for very smooth here. And here's my turn. And you have to notify the god that you come. And you hit the drum 3 times. So you're so busy just now, and I need to show to you that my shirt was burnt by the incense. So be very careful when you're inside the temple because there's too many people. People also get the gold ears of their zodiac sign or of the zodiac sign that will bring them luck this year. So they have the 12 zodiac here. For examples, if you are born in the years of ox, then you should get monkeys or cow this year. That will bring you luck. Or you work with them. These people will bring you luck this year. In the temple, you can always find a bell that they will ring it in the morning. And there's also a drum at the other side that they will hit the drums during the afternoon. 晨鐘暮鼓. The original Chaikong temple is situated in Saikong, and there was an epidemic in Shatin around 400 years ago. So people built this temple and people invited the Chaikong in Saikong to come here. You can also check out the bazaar right outside the temple. That is where we get our lucky wheels, 風車. If you found the lucky wheels too big, you can also choose the smaller one that you can hang it inside your car. People also come here to find a fortune teller to interpret the message behind the fortune stick that falls out just now. And now we are going to bring Fengte, the wheels of luck, back to our home. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our Instagram for everything about Hong Kong. Explore Hong Kong wishes you a super smooth year. 恭喜發財，身體健康，一帆風順。